A rural community in Chundura, Vungu district, says it is living under fear after explosive allegations that a politically connected family is abusing access to firearms in political protection to rule villages by intimidation. Salibana mashkumdanyi kwa chinzi, armed ZANU-PF security officials brother accused of terrorizing Chiundura villagers. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnao mubdanyi kwa mchinzi. Villagers from Gweru, Chibwana and Gandira allege that guns are used as tools of terror, with the family members openly threatening violence warnings residents not to report to police and boasting that nothing will ever happen because of who they know. At the center of the claims is Emmanuel Sundoza, allegedly authorized to store firearms due to his ZANU-PF security role. Residents say the weapons are not securely controlled and are accessed by multiple family members, creating what villagers describe as a private arsenal. Gun threats in public, death threats made in front of families, a pistol allegedly cocked an elderly brother's head on Christmas Day. Villagers too afraid to enter police stations. In one incident at Mawoza Business Center, witnesses allege a man was dragged into nearby bushland and assaulted while a firearm was pointed at his head, not in self-defense but as a display of power. Residents also allege that family members repeatedly name dropped the president and the police commissioner, claiming protection that makes them untouchable. Local police officers are said to be too afraid to open dockets, fearing career repercussions. In quotes, this is not a family dispute, one villager said. This is armed impunity. Firearms law is clear. One license holder does not mean a whole family can use guns. Villagers say the law has collapsed in their community. Now, residents are calling for a top-level national intervention, saying only action beyond local police structures can stop what they describe as systemic abuse of power. Do mashoko aripo panguva ino yavanhu vari kukumbira rubatsiro. Pena comment section medu nzofungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.